14 and 155, 1 carry 1 plus 1, 2.54. Negative value is larger value. I mean, if I forget about negative sign, we have to subtract this 25, we subtract this 2.5391. So the difference will be of this, the difference of this will be 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, 2 is the difference here. Then 17 minus 9 is 8 here. Okay, 1 carry, nothing, 0 only. Further 0, 0.0. So 0.0082 divided by 2. This is 1.2 here, 0.0082. Okay, this is negative value here. This is with minus sign here. So what we have to do upon 2. Now let me divide this. This is negative value, minus sign, minus 0.00 divided by 2 is 41. Now this negative value, Mantissa, now antilog of this is to be calculated. You know what? And then 10 v by 2, 10 v by 2 will be there. But this we have to make positive. How do we make positive it? We have to add 1 and subtract 1. So let me just put here. This is to be made positive. Now this will be 1 or minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.0041. From this 1, that here 1.000 and this minus 0041 is to be subtracted from this 1. Make it positive. Mantissa is to be positive. Here it will be okay. 0 minus 1 is 9, 1 carry 5, 1 carry 9, 1 carry again. This is 9, only 0.9959. This is the positive value, and this minus 1 is there. It is 1 bar. 1 is negative point here. I mean, the bar is negative. Antilog, when we calculate, this minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. 0 point something value will be there. Now let me take this 9959. Now this 0.9959 is the Mantissa part, which is positive. This positive value, the antilog of this is to be calculated. Now let me take what the antilog of this value. Okay, so this is 10 log of 10 v by 2. Therefore, log of 10 v by 2 is equal to 1 bar. This is negative value. The minus 1 plus 0 point something. This is 0.99. This is positive value, 0.9959. Now this is positive value here. Now let us take this Mantissa part, antilog of this. Therefore 10 v by 2 equal to antilog of 1 bar 0.9959. How do we find out antilog? Now let me just talk about it. What is antilog of this? Antilog of 0.99 under 5 and mean difference of 9. We have to just find out. Let me take 0.99 below 5 in the column number 5, 0.99 in the antilog table. Let me take antilog table here. So antilog table is in 99. Let me take antilog table here, 99. Under 99, below 5, the value is, let me just see here, what is the value here. Below 5, okay. So it is 9886. 9886. Okay. This is here last value, because under 0.99 is the last number in anti-log table. Last number 0.99, 0.99 under 5 it is 9886. It is here 9886. This is the value here. Now under this -1, let me just talk about. Now this is the ninth. The mean difference is also to now 9 difference. I think it is 20. 20 is also to be added up. It may be 20 because this is just disappeared here. It may be 20 here. 20 or 21. It may be 20 or 21. I don't know. But this number is disappeared here. It may be because in case of 0.98 it was 20 error is given, and 2-1 or it is 21 I think. Because after 2, okay, this may be 20. Let me take this 6. We have to add this. 20 is the mean difference of 9. Under 9 the last fourth number, which is for mean difference. So under 9 in the mean difference, this is mean difference, last one is 20. So let me take this 6. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, this is 9, 9. 0 point something, because this is 1 here, we have to add 1, this is -1, plus 1, 0, 0 point something. Decimal is put after, then 0 point something. This is 0.9906 is the value of this anti-log. Okay, so 10 b by 2 equal to this. Now let me just find what the value of this. So this 10 b by 2 comes out to be 0.9906. Now try to understand. Now this is the value of 10 b by 2. Okay. Now we know that what is 1045 degree value is 1. Okay. So this 0.9906 is for what? What the value of this? Okay. This value is for which angle of 10? Now we know that since, let me write here, since 10, let me write 1045 degrees is equal to 1. You know this, 1045 degrees is equal to 1. Okay, so we see here that 1 stands for 45 degrees. So this is to be converted into degrees. Therefore, b by 2, this angle, will be of 10 what? Now this is to be changed into degrees and minutes. Let me just multiply this by 45, because this 1 is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so therefore, 1 is equal to 45 degrees, or 45 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 equal to 45 degrees. Then this 0.99 into 0.9906 is equal to what? Upon 1 is this. So how many degrees are there? Therefore, 10 b by 2 or b by 2 is equal to this b by 2 angle will be what? Therefore b by 2, because 1 equal to 45 degrees. So 0.9. So b by 2 will be how much? 0.9906 is to multiply to this. 45 into, we convert this into this value. So what is the value of this? 45 into 0.9906. Let me multiply this. So 5 into, okay, let me multiply here properly. Let me multiply this here. So that angle b by 2 is to be calculated. So b by 2 angle is equal to 45 degree into 45 into 0.9906. Now let me multiply this by 45. Okay, so this will be 5 into 4 or 5 into 6. Let me multiply by 5 first. This is 5, 6, 30. 0, 3 carry, 5. Okay, this is 30. 5, 9 is 45. 5, 4 carry, 5 is 45 and 4, 49. Okay, then from this 4 into 6 is 24. 4, 6 is 24 here. And 4, 9 is 36. 6, 3 carry. 4 9 is 36. 36 and 3, 39. Alright. This is the final 0, 7. We have to add them. 7, 9, 6, 15, 1 carry. 9 plus 4, 13, 1, 14. And this is 4 here. So 44 degree. It comes out to be 44 degree. Let me write here, this is so b by 2 equal to 44 degree, b by 2 equal to 10 b by 2 equal to 44 degree, and the point was 44 degree 57. This was 57, and after decimal is to be substituted after 4 digits here. So this is 44 degree, and into 44 degree, and then it was 57. Okay, so multiplied by, because 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so multiplied by 60 minutes. This is 0, 6, 7 is 42, 2, 4, 6, 5 is 30, and 2, 34. So 34 minutes. 34 minutes. It is 34 minutes. Let me take up this point on 44 minutes, and then seconds will also be there. So 44 degree, 34 minutes. Now if I multiply by 2, then angle B therefore is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 6 okay, 2 3 is 6, 68. So this is 0, 60, because 60 minutes is 1 degree. This 1 degree will be multiplied with this here. 2 4s are 8, 8 and 1 9. This is 9 here, 9 degree, and then 2 4s are 8. So 89 degree, 08 minute. Angle B is this. Therefore, angle B is equal to 89 degrees and 8 minutes. Alright, this is the answer here. This is how we calculate the largest angle of this B angle. Okay, so this is the process of finding the largest angle. Here we have calculated. So this is log, anti-log. We have to just find out with the help of anti-logarithm and logarithm tables all these values here. Okay, now let me take second question. Now question number 2. Let me talk about. Okay, just the calculation with the help of log and anti-log, that we have to just find out with the help of log table, anti-log table. Okay, as in this case we have calculated. That is only the requirement here. Second question, which is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is given to us? A is given to us as 5, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 6. Now solve the triangle. That is, find angle A, angle B, and angle C. Is it 3 sides are given to us here? Okay, let us take here. So solve the triangle. That means what we have to find out to solve the triangle. That is to find the angles. To find the angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Now here we are given these sides. We can find the angle simply. So let me find angle by cosine formula. Okay, by cosine formula we can find all the 3 angles, because these sides are given positive numbers, not decimal points here. Let me take solution here. Here the perimeter twice S is equal to A plus B plus C, with that 5 plus 8 plus 6. That means this value is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. Okay, 14 plus 9, 19. This is 19 here. Therefore, S equal to 19 upon 2. That means 2 9 is 18, so 9.5. Value of S is 9.5. Okay. Then S minus A is required. No need of that. So here S is given to us. What is need of that? Nothing. We can find out by cos A formula. Angles can be calculated by the help of this. No need of S here. So let me take this direct value. Okay, no need of this perimeter. Let me take by cosine formula. By cosine formula, we find, in this case we can find the values. We find the angles. Cos A is what? B square plus C square minus A square divided by twice BC. Let me just calculate. B square is 8 square, C square is 6 square, minus 5 square, twice B into C. B is 8 here, into C is 6. 8 64 plus 36 minus 25 divided by 8 to the 16, or 8 is a 48. 48 into 2. So whatever the difference comes out to be, let me take 6 minus 5, let me take here 64 plus 6 minus 5, this is 11 here, 1 and 1, 11, divided by 48 into 2. It comes out to be 64 plus 11, 575 upon 48 into 3. If I divide it by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 5 is 15, so 25, 3 5 is 15, yes, 25 upon 48. Therefore, A angle is cos inverse 25 upon 48. This is the angle here. You can find angle in this way also, cos inverse 25 upon 48. Okay, or we could take this as by log table. Okay, cos of A is equal to this, so log of cos A is equal to log of 25 minus log of 48. Negative value will be there. Difference will be done. Okay, this value will be done more than, because angle A is calculated. Okay, so angle A will be smaller than angle undoubtedly. Negative value there. Okay, it may be something decimal, smaller value, or we can write in this way also. Similarly, cos B is equal to what? Let me find cos B. So this is cos. This is also the right answer. So A is equal to, angle A is cos inverse 25 from 48, and cos B similarly is C square plus A square minus B square upon Y C. C square is 36, A square is 25, 5 square minus B square is 64 divided by 2 into CA. C is 6 into A is 5. It will give us, I think, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry, 61 minus 63, 64, sorry. 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 61. 61 minus 64 divided by 12 into 5, 60. This is minus 3 upon 60. 12 5 is 60. Okay, now 3 1 is 3 upon 20. This is minus 1 upon 20. The value will be cos inverse. Therefore, B is equal to. Therefore, B equal to cos inverse minus 1 upon 20. This is the value of B angle. Now angle C can be calculated. So angle C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by twice AB. This is equal to A square is 25, 5 square, and B square is 8 square 64 minus C square 36 divided by twice AB. A 5 into B 8 Okay, so this is the value B. Let us solve it now. 64 minus 36. Okay. Let me have 25 plus 14 minus 6 is 8. Yeah. 1 carry 28. Right, 28. Exactly right. 28 here upon 10 into 8. It will give us 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. 53. 53 upon 80. Therefore, C is equal to cos inverse 53 upon 80. 53 is a prime number, so we can cancel out this. In this way also we can calculate the angles, value of angles. Cos A is cos inverse this, B is equal to cos inverse this, and C equal to cos inverse 53 by 8. We can calculate this value with the help of logarithm table also. Okay, this solution we can do in other angles also. Okay, this kind of questions can be calculated with the help of logarithm and anti-logarithm also. Then exact value of angles will be calculated in terms of decimals or points, degree, minutes and seconds. We can find out the angles as we calculated number 1, question number 1. In that way also we can find out perimeter, then S minus A, S minus semi-perimeter, then S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, then with the help of tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. We can find with the help of logarithm table. That is also the possibility. The question number 2 completed. This is one of the processes how to find the angles here. Okay, like this. Now question number 3, let me calculate. Solve. Question number 3, let me solve. What is the process of that? Let me check that. Okay, now question number 3. Let me talk about that. Question 3, solve the triangle having given A, B, C. Again, 3 angles, 3 sides are given. Now this is we calculated with the help of logarithm table. Okay, that we do. Question number 3, given here, solve the triangle. Again, solve the triangle. Okay, solve the triangle having given or given here. What is given to us? A is equal to 45.3, sorry, 73. A is given 45.73. B is equal to 23.17, and C is equal to 40.52. Again, semi-perimeters and 3 angles are calculated. So to find here, this is given to us. To find here angle A is what, angle B is what, angle C is what. Now this is to be calculated because this is given in decimals. We have to calculate this with the help of logarithm table, but before that, tan B by 2, tan C by 2, tan A by 2. Let me take what is tan A by 2 here. Under root, this is S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. For A is to be calculated. For that, we have to find out small s in semi-perimeter. That will make 45 plus 73 plus 23.17 plus 40.52 divided by 2. Okay, so let me find semi-perimeter. So this is 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. 4, then carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 to 9. Again, 4 plus 1, 44 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 109.42. Okay, so this is the total addition of this, all these values divided by 2 here now. It will give us 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, and 54.71 is the value of small s. Okay, again let me clearly find out this by putting simple addition is this for process 23.17, 40.5. Let me check whether this value is exactly or not. I mean, is correct or not. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 2, 1 carry. Alright, 2, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 40. 4, 1 carry. Alright. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. This is 9 here. 9, alright. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 109.4, exactly. Same value here. Then division is okay. So this is the value of small s. Therefore, s minus a we have to calculate, which is 54.71 minus a 45.73. Okay, so this is difference will be 11 minus 3, 8, 8. 1 carry here, 8. 17 minus 8 is 9.9. Okay. Then 6, 14 plus 6 is 8. Only 8.98. 8.98 is s minus a. S minus b will be 54.71 minus b. B is 23.17. Will give us 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 carry 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3. 31.54. Value of s minus b. Then s minus c. S minus c is 54.71 minus c is 40.52. 40.52. So difference will be 52. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 carry. 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. 19. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. 14.19. Alright. This is 14. So let me write these values here. So small s we have calculated. Therefore s is equal to 54.71. S minus a is 8.98. Okay. Then b is now s minus b is equal to 31.54. S minus c is equal to 14.19. Yeah. So these are the values of these differences. Now let us take the formula. 10b by 2. First we have to find out. So 10a by 2 let me take. Therefore 10a by 2 is equal to under root s minus b into s minus c divided by s into s minus a. It will give us the values. Okay, s minus b is 31.54 into s minus c. S minus c is 14.19 divided by s. S is 54.71. 54.71 into S minus A. S minus A is 8.98. Okay. Therefore, this is 10A by 2 value. Take the log, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So we get log of 10A by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 this power is square root 1.2 or square root 1.2 power. We have to come before the log m raised power n is n log m. Okay, so that is there. Now these two values are in multiplication. It will be positive log of 31.54 plus log of 14.19 minus log 54.71 minus log 8.98. So these are the values. Now log of these values we have to calculate. This I will continue after 5 minutes time because now camera is full. Okay. Camera is full, I mean. So that is this I have to take log. After taking log of all these values, we have to calculate this function. I mean angle A by 2 is calculated. When A is calculated, B will also be calculated. When A and B both are calculated, then C can easily be calculated after 180 minus B plus C or A plus B equal to C. So in that way, C is easily. C is not to be calculated with the help of log, table, etc. Only A and B, two angles are calculated. Then C can be, or if A is calculated with the help of these sides, we can calculate any angle with the help of sine formula. That is also possible. Okay, or we just calculate with the help of tan E by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. This calculation is to be done with the help of logarithm table and logarithm table. That must be known to us. That is the simple process. Okay, so this we will do after 5 minutes time. Okay, then see you after 5 minutes time, guys.